Micah Miller with Easton Outdoors, back with another quick tip of the week. This week we're going to talk about corrugated pipe versus PVC. So I'm here at my shop today and I wanted to go over the difference between corrugated and PVC pipe and give you a few pros and cons. Corrugated pipe is possibly the most commonly used type of drain tile. It's cheap, it's very flexible, it comes in 100-foot rolls, it requires no adapters to get around tight bend. It does have a couple cons though. The first being the fact that it has ridges on the inside. This allows debris to easily collect and clog the pipe. Roots can grab on and penetrate the pipe. Because of PVC's strength and its smooth insides, it's typically a better choice than corrugated pipe. It does have a couple downsides though. It requires adapters to get around tight bend. It only comes in 10-foot lengths and it's quite a bit more expensive. PVC wins the longevity battle. Because of its smooth sides, it doesn't clog as easily. And in the event of a clog, it's a lot easier to clean. There's a few additional things to keep in mind whether installing corrugated pipe or PVC. First is to make sure that your system has at least an inch of fall every 10 feet. The more, the better. Make sure there's no bellies in the system where the pipe might pop up or have a hump in it. If you're installing more than 100 feet, having a clean out in the middle to clean out any clogs that might arise in the future is always a good idea. Well, I hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks.